What's up, Team Buckhouse? We were at A Basin for mountain biking, and I used to mountain bike a good amount. I hated doing it by myself, but I don't have to do it by myself anymore because Nate, he got a bike. So expect some bike content. What's up, man?
Buckhouse, how you doing, bro?
Yeah, dude. What's up? What's your name?
Evan.
Oh yeah, I locked it, dude. Gotta keep it safe, dude. So Nate's an expert mountain biker.
Yep.
And I'm an expert mountain biker. I got the camera on my chin, but Nate's going with the chesty, and we're gonna find out which is the better view too. So comment down below which of the views today you enjoy the most. Enough talking, Nate. We're going up there. Now I haven't climbed in a minute. I haven't been on a bike in a minute. I've been doing other sports. So we'll see how we do in the climb. Let's go. I made it up the whole switchback spot with one not falling off the bike, so I made every turn. With two, I had the strength, which I'm shocked because I haven't been put into biking like I did last year. So that was rad. Here comes Nate. Look at the view, guys. An early morning, bright sun in our face view. It's gorgeous. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it climbing. It took me forever to learn how to do that. I'm hyped. So thankfully it's like a really rewarding downhill. It wasn't that bad. It's short up, it's just tough up.
It's rough up.
Yeah, but it's short.
Yeah.
So short-lived. It's a good long down. I'm super excited. So far, out of all the local trails, this one's my favorite, so let's get it. One finger braking, here we go. Everyone yelled at me last video for not one finger braking. Oh, I forgot to put my shocks. Turn my shocks on. I'm gonna slow down real quick, Nate. Ooh. All right. Oh, I missed that turn up. Definitely feel rusty on the downhill. That's why we're out here. Warm it up. I'm not feeling full send today. That's one of the hardest features. Oh, I survived. Oh, nice, Nate.
I survived.
Yeah, dude, that's one of the hardest features.
That was wild.
I went B on that one.
That was wild.
Surviving.
Oh, dude, first mountain bike show. This is wild.
This is sick, right?
Yeah, it's kind of scary.
Oh, it's terrifying.
Yeah.
Colorado's rocky. One finger braking. Here. Cruising. I think I should have lowered my seat too. I didn't do that. We'll do that next descent. you forget to do all the stuff and all the sports you do. And we've been doing so many sports between wakeboarding, snowboarding still, hiking. We went to Spider Mountain in Texas. That was so rad. I seen all the stuff that I used to kind of pop off of and get air. I'm like, I'm way too scared today to try that. We gotta get back into the groove. Like, I used to boost this rock. I am not boosting that rock. This run at least. This turn's a big one. There we go. Oh, definitely feeling the burn with the one finger braking. All right. And this is the bottom, man. We survived the trail. Just super rad. There's this jump right here. Once again. The last time I was doing it, I was hitting that. Not today, but once again, Nate had a camera too. Let's cut to Nate's highlights on that trail. Alright guys, this is my first real mountain bike trail. We're starting to feel it. Oh, pretty. Oh, splash pad. Look at that little rock. Rock's rock. Right, Cody? Oh, no brakes. Let's go. Oh, tree! Oh, that was so scary. I thought I was gonna die. Oh, that was terrifying. Alright. I thought I was gonna die a couple times. How was that, big dog?
Almost hit a tree.
Sick. Ready for round two? So obviously the climbing is not the most fun and exciting part. So let's just get up to the top. I can't hit the to the top. Alright, let's put the bike into downhill before we start. And this time I'm going to lower the seat. Round two, chipmunk. Weird having the seat lower. One finger braking. That one's bumpy. Yeah, Nate. Changing the seat was definitely a move. Was definitely downhill and better. My seat out of my way. Heck yeah, Johnathan. Ripped it, dude.
Dude, that was sick.
I don't want to talk about it. All right, that's fun. Expect more out of the two of us. Nate got this bike, and like I just hate doing stuff by myself. That's why I wasn't making mountain bike content. But we got a buddy for the bike now. And with that being said, if you guys want to ride with us, DM me on Instagram, things like that. It's gonna be super fun. And as always, thank you so much for riding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Another video. It's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this daily.